go under the sea and find some ocean animals. Fish, fish. Stingray, stingray. Good job. Squid, squid. Starfish, starfish. Octopus, octopus. Amazing. Seahorse, seahorse. Whale, whale. You're doing great. Jellyfish, jellyfish. Dolphin, dolphin. Shrimp, shrimp. We're almost there. Blowfish, blowfish. Crab, crab. Turtle, turtle. Shark, shark. Congratulations! You did it! So I ask, what is your favorite sea animal? My favorite is a whale, because water goes through their blowhole.
Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos. Thanks for watching.